Sir,
Yes.
sir, you will send PDF na?
Yes, beta. What are you saying?
Sir, you will send PDF?
Of what?
Yes, answer.
Yes, beta. I will send. But did you try by yourself? Today I will ask. You have to say the reference also. Hello. Can you see the board?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Everyone. Okay. Before starting today's lecture, everyone be ready for 2 minutes prayer.
Nine.
Today everyone joined assembly.
No, sir,
Hello.
I have not.
Anybody else who have joined assembly? Beta.
Sir, the board is not visible.
What?
Board is not visible.
No, sir, it's visible.
Sir, now it is visible. Before it was blurred.
Okay. I think now it's okay. Okay, so everyone get ready for 2 minutes prayer. Everyone close their eyes. Join your hands, close your eyes, everyone. Join your hands, close your eyes. Just mute your mics first. As soon as you come and start, as soon as you come to the lecture, everyone's mic should be off. After saying good morning, then you have to switch off the mic. Nobody will switch on the mic. Clear? It's not like every time I have to say, and suddenly you have to sit for prayer. I will not say every time, yes, come on now, join your hands, close your eyes. Every time I will not say. From Monday onwards, you will directly after saying good morning, you have to start your prayer. Clear? Clear, beta? Clear? Everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now start your prayer. Start your prayer, everyone. Start your prayer. Okay, beta. Open your eyes. Open your eyes, everyone. Done? Done,
Yes,
everyone?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. Okay. So now let us start. Let us start the discussion for today's lecture. Today I told you that we will be having the actual question answer discussion, means exercise discussion. Okay. So everyone has to take your books, and if ever anybody knows the answer, you have to raise your hand. Okay. If ever you found the answer in textbook, you have to just raise your hand, and then I will say who will who will be going to say the answer. I will select from that. Okay, just you have to raise your hand. Nobody will switch on the mic and say, may I, don't say that. Otherwise I will not give you chance. Okay, just you have to raise your hand, and from there I will select. So that person will switch on the mic and say the reference of the answer, where you have found that answer in textbook. Clear? But if ever you have not found your answer, no problem. Okay, and later I will send the PDF of this textual question answer. Clear? Okay. So now everyone take your books. What is the page number?
10. Page number 10.
Beta, did I give you activity number 2? Did I say? No, no?
No,
I think
sir.
only one activity.
No, sir. Yes, sir. Only one
Haan.
activity you have.
Okay, so the second activity, before starting our discussion, let me discuss with you what activity you have to do, means activity number 2. Okay, that is given in page number 11. Everyone take your page number 11. Okay, in that can you see question number 5, question 5, there are 2 things given. Okay, so you have to, you are seeing few materials, no, few things, the pictures are given. Okay, yes or no? Now what you have to do is, you have to write those names, and means you have to, what you have to write down? You have to write down from what minerals they are made, that you have to write down. Okay, did you get me? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, we have to write in textbook only.
Nothing should be written in textbook. I told you now one time. Not, I don't know, but still once again I am saying, nobody will write anything in textbook. Match the following, fill up, true or false, nothing. Why? Because I told you, you will not submit textbook from next submission. Only fair notebook, activity book and worksheet. These 3 things should only be there. Nothing.
Okay, sir.
No textbook. Okay? Yes, because you know, there are lot of 3 textbooks. If you send, then it would be, sometimes it might happen that you may lose your textbook, because we are checking, no, every time we are checking so many students' books. So it might, there is a chance that it might get loose. Okay, so to avoid that, I am not asking you to send the textbook. Only fair notebook, activity book and worksheet. These 3 things are compulsory from next submission. And compulsory means completed one. Incomplete I don't want. Clear? And 7th standard, if anyone is remaining to complete MEA1 activity, chapters activity, okay, today I will be sending in the WhatsApp group what you have to do. Okay, so you have to just go through that questions, what are the questions that you have to do, then you have to do those activity in the activity book. But before doing, how you will do? If it is MEA1 chapters, you have to write down MEA1 chapter number 1. This is activity 1, activity 2, activity 3. How many activities are there in one chapter? Clear? In that way you have to do. Understood? Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. Okay. So the first, so for this activity in this chapter, yes, beta. What is the doubt?
Sir, sir, MCQs in the match the following, we have to write in notebook, but we have to write only answers now.
No, beta. Write the questions also. Then what is the problem? If you are writing answers, means you can write questions also, no? So that you can, there would be no any doubt for you. Okay. If you directly write down answers, you would be having problem. Okay, you would not understand what I have written.
Sir, we have to write the word. Sir, we have to write in this picture that what they are used in.
What are you saying?
Sir, I am saying that in the question number 1, what are the minerals mostly common used in the following objects? Sir, there are 2 questions we have to do now. That whole 2.
Minerals most commonly, you have to write 2 minerals for each object. Okay, 2 minerals. Okay, like for Karhai, the first picture, what is that? Kadai. Okay, for that, how many materials are used? Not 2. How many materials are used, or how many minerals are used? All the minerals names you have to write down.
Sir,
Okay,
and
whether it
minerals
is
you have to
2 or-
write after where it is used. That we have to write.
Commonly, no, where it is used you no need to write, only you have to write down the names of minerals used for making these materials, these objects. Clear? Then
Sir, we have to
sir.
go to pictures in our notebook.
yes, What
We
are you
have to
asking?
draw these pictures in our notebook.
there is no need of drawing, but if you want to draw, okay. If you want to draw, you can draw, no problem. But I am not saying it is compulsory for drawing. Okay, just you can write the name and then you have to write the names of the minerals used. Okay, if you have to paste the picture also, that is also good. It will be looking good if you do that. Okay, if you want to paste the picture and do it, that is also fine. So how much beautiful you can make, that much good. Okay, clear? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now everyone, the second question. Identify some more objects made up of different minerals. Yes, you have to write down different name of objects, okay, which are made of certain minerals. Okay, so that also. For that, I think 3 to 4 or 4 to 5 objects name only enough, not more than that. Don't, no need to write 10 or 20 names. Only 4 to 5 objects that are made of minerals. It can be whatever minerals. Okay, just you have to write down the names of the objects. Clear? Clear, beta?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so from this chapter, how many activities I have given?
Sir, 3. 2 activities.
3.
The 2 activities. The 2 activities.
Yes, no, sir. Only 2
Only.
activities.
This activity is one activity only, it is not 2. Okay, it is asked in one question, no? That's why this is one activity only. And the other one, activity number 1 I had given yesterday, no? It was where? It was in page number 9. I told you to
Sir, in page
paste
number
the
9.
paste the picture of certain monuments and you have to write down from which rocks they are made. Clear? Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. Now let us discuss. Let's start discussing the question answers. So everyone's concentration should be here. Nobody will look here and there. Okay.
Sir, today we
Now
will
if
do
I ask-
only question answer.
means we will discuss. Only discussion will be there today. Okay. Do you want to do something else?
No, sir. Just I am asking.
Okay. If we will be doing something else, on that day I will tell you what we will be doing today. Okay. Okay. I
Okay,
have a
sir.
plan.
Okay, sir.
I have a plan of conducting an oral test for these chapters, but not now. That later I will tell you when I will conduct the oral test. Okay. So are you interested, everyone, for oral test?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Of course.
sir. Yes, sir.
Someone said no. Who is that? Okay. Anyways, so now let's start. So everyone's concentration should be in the textbook, the exercise. Sorry. Okay. Now the first one. What are the 3 layers of the earth? So the first question. Just you have to raise your hand. Nobody will say may I, may I. Mute your mic. Your mic should be mute. If I say the person, only that person will switch on the mic and say. Yes, Dia Dalsania. Better tell.
The 3 layers of
the
the
3 layers?
earth are
Hmm?
crust, mantle, and core.
Hmm? Yes, crust, mantle and core. These are the three layers of the earth.
Sir.
Yes, beta.
Sir,
Did you understand, everyone? This was very simple.
Yes.
Okay, now second one.
Sir, can we write in notebook with you?
No, it will, if you can write fast, but don't write fast, otherwise your handwriting will be bad. There's no need to write now. Just you have to tick that answer in the textbook. Okay? I will ask some students,
sir.
those who have found out the answer, to say the reference of that, in which page number, which paragraph, which line this answer is there. So you have to say that reference also. Okay? So that you have to tick that answer. That's it. No need to write down now. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Is my video stuck?
Yes, sir.
Is my video stuck?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. Okay, beta. Now second one. Second one. What is a rock? What is a rock? Who can say? Adi Patel. Adi Patel. Beta, say the answer. Where is the reference of that? Say the page number, paragraph and line. Yes, Adi Patel. Can you hear me?
Sir.
Adi
Sir.
Patel. Yes.
Sir.
Yes,
Rock
beta.
is a rock is a solid type of stone.
Beta, your voice is having some disturbance. Your voice is having some disturbance.
Hello, sir.
Your voice
Sir,
is
may
not
I
proper,
say the
beta.
answer?
Sir, can I say the answer?
Okay. Wait a minute. Let Adi try. If his mic is okay, then we can continue with Adi. Otherwise, I will give you chance. Adi, can you hear me? Adi.
Sir, some network issue.
Acha, you are having network issue. Okay, Adi, then mute your mic. Adi, mute your mic. Okay, next Shreya. Shreya Ja. Shreya, say this answer and where is the reference? Say the reference also.
Yes, sir. Any natural mass of the mineral matter that makes up the Earth's crust is called rock.
What is that, beta? Say it once again.
Any natural mass of mineral matter that makes up the Earth's crust is called a rock.
Okay, so can you say the reference? Can you say the reference? Yes? Shreya, can you say the reference of this? Yes, Yesha, I will give you a chance. Wait. Shreya, can you say the reference? Am I audible? Shreya.
Sir, I know which
Sir,
reference.
may I give the next answer?
Sir, may I
I think
tell?
Shreya is not audible. Yes,
Sir, may I tell?
wait a minute. Wait, only I will say, only that person will say. I told you nobody will say, may I say, may I say. If those who are saying, may I tell, I will not give them chance. Okay? Okay, no problem. Now, Ami, yes, Ami. Ami, beta, tell the reference.
First paragraph, second line.
Who is this? Huh? Ami? Beta, why your voice is like boys, like male voice? Hello? Yes, beta, continue. Say the reference. It is on which page number, which paragraph, and which line?
Page number 8, first paragraph, second line.
Page number 8. Everyone just pick that answer. Page number 8, first paragraph. Is it in first paragraph?
Rocks and minerals.
First. Yes, rocks and minerals, first paragraph. Which line, beta? Yeah, it is clearly given. Second line onwards. Any natural mass of mineral matter that makes up the earth's crust is called a rock, and the next line also you have to tick. Okay, tick means you have to tick that answer with a bracket. Okay, put that bracket and write their answer number 2 like that way. Okay. Any natural mass of mineral matter that makes up the earth's crust is called a rock, and rocks can be of different color, size and texture. Where is answer number 2? It is on page number 8, first paragraph, second line. Can you see the board? Page number 8, first paragraph, second line.
Yes, sir.
If anybody wants the reference, okay. Second line up to size and texture. Up to size and texture. Up to there you have to write down. Clear?
Sir, have you sent any word matter or hard words or important points?
No. Along with that, I told you now that I will send you textual question answers PDF. So along with that, I will send that words that matter, important points, and the textual question answers, textual exercise. Clear?
Okay.
Clear? And I will also send that MA1's activity. Those who have not sent the MA1 activity, for them only. Okay. Now those who have done that activity, they no need to do again. Okay. Those who have not done, those who have not submitted in the last submission, for them I am sending the MA1's activity once again. Okay. So they will have to do it. Those who have not done in the last submission. Clear? Those who have done, they no need to do. Clear?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, may I take the third one answer?
Yes. Now third one. Yes. Wait a minute. I will say. Name 3 types of rocks. Very simple. Okay. Yes, beta. You can say. Who said now? May I say?
Yes, Soham.
Yes, Soham. Say the answer, because this is simple one. That's why I gave you chance. Yes.
Sir, may I tell?
Yes.
Sir, some network. Sir, may I tell?
What are you saying?
Page number 8, rock and mineral paragraph number 2. There are 3 major types of rock: igneous rock, sedimentary rock, metamorphic rock.
Yes, very simple one. How many? 3 types of rocks are there: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. This was very simple. Okay. Okay. Now fourth one. How are extrusive and intrusive rocks formed? Very important one. Very important question.
Sir, may I tell?
Let me say. I will tell you who will say the answer. Okay. So here it goes. Herman Sheth.
Okay, sir, I am giving the answer. Yes, sir.
Say the
Question:
reference.
how are extrusive and intrusive rocks formed? Answer is on page number 8. Yes, sir, on page number 8.
Yes, everyone take page number 8. You have to tick this answer. Page number 8. Yes.
Rocks and minerals.
Yes, rocks and minerals. Which paragraph?
Third paragraph, third line. Third paragraph, third line.
Yes, third paragraph, third line. Yes, when
After.
this molten magma from there. Yes
sir.
or no?
When this molten lava cools on the Earth's surface,
Lava,
it rapidly cools down and becomes solid. Rocks formed in such a way
on the crust are extrusive rocks, extrusive igneous rocks, and after in the intrusive rocks we will write that sometimes the molten magma cools down deep inside the earth's crust. So solid rocks so formed are called intrusive igneous rocks.
Yes, very good. Up till intrusive. So, did you understand, everyone? Once again, I will say the reference, page number 8, rocks and minerals, third paragraph. Which line? Third line. Yes, third line onwards. First you have to tick, then you have to end that bracket on extrusive igneous rock. Okay. Then the second bracket again you have to write. You have to put that bracket on the next.
After 3 lines, sometimes from sometimes.
After 3 lines, start from sometimes. Okay. From sometimes to intrusive igneous rock. Up till there you have to tick, and you have to write down in both the brackets. Okay, what you have to write down? Answer number 4. Clear? You have to write down this. Everyone understood? Everyone got this answer reference?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Is there anybody who has not got the answer reference?
Sir, may I tell the answer?
Is there anyone who has not got the answer reference?
Sir, your voice is not coming. Sir, your voice is not coming. Sir, your voice is lagging.
Everyone has got.
Sir, your video is also stopped.
Sir, your voice is cutting. Sir, your voice is cutting.
Sir, your voice is breaking. Sir, your video is also stuck.
Yes, sir. Sir, your voice is... Sir, your voice is not coming. Sir, your video is stopped.
Yes, Dhruvi Kagadra. Beta, can you say?
Yes,
Sir, your voice is coming slow.
Voice is coming low.
voice is coming. No, sir, it's proper now. Yes, sir.
It's proper now. Yes, beta. Say what is the reference? I think you can find this
Sir,
answer
may
on
I
page
tell?
number 9.
Sir, may
Yes
I
or
tell
no?
Kavya? In page number 9,
Yes.
paragraph number 2, line
Yes.
3rd, is process of transformation of the rocks from one to another
process, beta?
is known as the rock cycle.
Beta, which process? That also you have to mention. Okay. So for that you have to start from the first line. First line. What is that? One type of
Sir, may I
rock
tell the proper
changes to
answer?
another type. That is where you have to start. Okay.
Sir,
You have to start from one type of rock. Clear?
Sir, may I tell the proper
I
answer?
will give the reference. Beta, wait a minute. Everyone must listen. Nobody will say this answer. I will say. Okay, just have a look. It is on page number 9. Okay, you have to start from first line, the second paragraph, first line. Can you see that one type of rock? From there you have to tick. Put a bracket. Okay. One type of rock changes to another type under certain conditions in a cyclical manner. Okay, in a cyclic manner, and this process of transformation of rock from one to another is known as rock cycle. So up till rock cycle you have to do. Okay, that is up till there one sentence is over. Okay, now second sentence, from where you have to take the same answer. Same answer you have to take again from yes. Which line? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. From 11th line. 11th line starting from when? Okay, when the igneous and sedimentary rock, okay,
Sir, where?
yes beta,
Sediment.
beta, nobody will talk with each other. Yes, Dhruvi, continue. Dhruvi, continue. You are saying the answer, no? In between, say.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes, Dhruvi, continue.
One type,
Nobody will speak in between while
one
someone
type
is
of
saying
rock
the answer. Huh. Yes, beta, continue.
one type of rock changes to another type under
that
certain
I said.
conditions in a
Beta, that I said, it is up till rock cycle you have to take that first sentence. Okay. Now second sentence you have to take from. Okay, you have to take from here. Okay, you have to take from 11th line. When the igneous and sedimentary rock subject to heat and pressure, okay, heat and pressure, they change into metamorphic rocks. They change into metamorphic rocks due to heat and pressure of igneous and sedimentary rocks. Okay, they change into metamorphic rock. Then again you have to continue. The metamorphic rock still under great heat and pressure melt down to form again molten magma. Okay, yes. Then this molten magma again cools down and solidifies into igneous rock, soft igneous rock. Okay, so then you can tick until full paragraph, means that full line. Okay, starting from when to that line you have to tick. Clear?
sir, we have
Everyone?
to. Yes, sir. Sir, we have to
Yes,
take
beta.
igneous rocks. Sir,
Yes, sir.
igneous rocks. Sir.
You have to take from when the igneous rocks and sedimentary rocks are subject to heat and pressure. From there, starting from when, second sentence you have to start from when till the full paragraph, means till that end, up till igneous rocks. Clear?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So that is the answer number. What you will write down? Answer number 5. 5 or 6?
Sir,
It is
4.
5. Okay, answer number 5. Now,
Sir,
6th question. Yes, beta?
6 question we have to do.
No,
Now
sir.
6th one.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Sir, can I answer
Sir,
question?
may I tell the
Now-
answer?
Sir, may.
Now we have to do 6th question. 6th
Sir,
one.
5th one.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
The 5th one.
What are the uses of rocks? Okay.
Sir, can I answer?
What?
And the answer.
No.
Second.
Nobody will say. I will say. If you say can I will not give you chance. Wait a minute. Who will say the answer? Those who are saying can I am not going to give them chance. Okay, Jeet Kumar. Beta, Jeet Kumar. Jeet Kumar, say this answer. What are the uses of rocks? Yes, Jeet. Jeet Kumar, beta, can you hear me? Am I audible? Hello.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Are you there?
Yes, sir.
I think Jeet is not audible. No problem. We can go. Okay. Okay. I think Jeet is not audible, so we can go with some other person who will say Nancy.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it Nancy?
Yes, sir. I'm Nancy.
Yes, Nancy. Do you know this answer?
Yes, sir.
Say the reference, beta. Everyone just look.
Reference
Everyone listen
page
to
page
Nancy.
number
What is
9.
the reference? Huh. Page number
Page
9.
number 9, uppermost paragraph.
Which paragraph, beta?
The uppermost paragraph, second line.
Yes, the first paragraph. In that page number, the first top paragraph. In that, the second line onwards.
Second line.
The second. Yes. But you have to start with the hard rocks. Okay.
The hard
Hard
rocks are used for making roads, houses and buildings. You
Then
use stones in many games. For example, 7 stones, hopscotch, 5 stones. Find out some more up to till 5 stones.
yes, up to 5 stones you have to take this answer. Answer number 6, everyone. Okay, page number, once again I say the reference, page number 9. Okay, the first line, hard rocks, from there onwards. Hard rocks are used up till 5 stones. Up till that Gitti. Okay, up till that paragraph, means that bracket is given, no, Gitti. Up till there you have to take this answer. Understood? Yes? Yes,
In
beta.
between there are 2 and 3 paragraph. You have to write that paragraph as a bracket. 1 minute.
Sir.
Yes, that bracket also you have to write down.
Sir.
Clear? Yes, beta.
Sir, may I tell full answer?
Which one? This one? 6th one? 6th one? You want to say which one? Wait a minute. Okay?
सेकंड कंपटीशन का रिजल्ट क्या है?
सेकंड कंपटीशन
उसका रिजल्ट
सेकंड कंपटीशन कौन सा था?
क्रिएटिव राइटिंग।
वो तो मैंने लिखा था ना, वो ग्रुप में, इसमें देखो। वेट अ मिनट, ओके, आई एम कमिंग। कौन सा था?
ये वाला तो महाराष्ट्र
हाँ, महाराष्ट्र।
नहीं है उसमें ना, ये तो वही
मैंने लिखा था ना
नहीं
आपको, पर्सनली भी मैंने भेजा था, शायद पर्सनली भेजा था।
नहीं, फर्स्ट में भेजा था आपने, फर्स्ट कंपटीशन का भेजा था।
हाँ, everyone wait, okay, I am coming, just wait for 2 minutes, find out the answers of the other questions, I am coming. मैंने टाइप करके भेजा था, टाइप वाला है, ऐसा लिख के नहीं भेजा था, मैनुअल में लिखा था। ये रहा, मिल गया ना मेरा ही।
हाँ, तो आपका ही है। मेरे को दिखे लगा, एक तो आपने डिलीट मारे ना, इसलिए नहीं पता।
हाँ, चलो टेंशन दूर ना। अरे मैम, ये इसके बाद ये है ना आज
हाँ यार, उसका
सेमीफाइनल,
उनको बच्चों को बोल दो लिंक।
वो कहाँ क्वेश्चन कहाँ
अरे वो भी
से?
कब से होता था।
निखिल के पास हो। हाँ, वही ना। ओके, हेलो हेलो।
Yes, sir. Your voice is not visible.
बेटा सब सो गए क्या?
No, sir. Sir, your video.
हेलो।
Now,
Okay. Okay, beta. Now, okay. We will discuss it later. Now, okay. I hope the time is also up, है ना?
No, sir.
Nanat, we have 8 more minutes to go. So within 8 more minutes, how much we can discuss that we can do, because you have to go for that competition also. No, today you have competition. Do you know everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Means
No,
it
sir.
is not the final one. Today it is the semi-final. You know, on the last Saturday we have taken that puzzle.
Yes,
The same way, today it will be the semi-final. Today there will be no any final. Finals will be on 19th of this month. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Today will be semi-final,
Yes, sir.
and it will be taken the same way as your MEA1 paper were there, no? In Forms app.
Yes, sir.
Means you will get that link. When you will click that link, you will get the questions, and then one by one you have to attempt. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir, may I
hope
tell
that,
the seventh one answer?
Yes, beta.
Correct answer.
Sir, may I tell the
Sir,
seventh
can
one answer?
I?
મને થોડોક મોડો બાર આવે આજે ઓલી social media.
Whose
Sir,
mic
my
is
dad-
on, beta? Whose mic is on? I will give you chance to talk later. Switch off your mic.
Name
Okay, now
even
next one.
time a link આવી દબાવવાની છે
Talking
ખુલી
in between. Mute your mic. Next question.
Sir,
What
can I
are metamorphic? No, I will say. What are metamorphic rocks?
હા થોડુંક ગળું ડીશમાં.
Hello. Again you are giving us beta. Who is this talking in between? Beta, कितनी बार बताना है? How many times did I say? I told you that you have to mute your mic. Unnecessary talks I don't want to hear. Okay, I am not going to give chance to anyone. I will say the answer. Okay? Mute your mics everyone. Just you have to listen to me and you have to tick the answer. Okay? Yes. Now the last one, 7th question. What are the metamorphic rocks? See, it is given on page number 9. Everyone just look page number 9. That 11th line, that answer you tick, no? The same one. 11th line, starting from when, that you have to tick. Okay, the same answer you have to write down there, answer number 7 also. Okay, when the igneous and sedimentary rocks are subjected to heat and pressure, they change into metamorphic rocks. And for example, what you will write down? For example, clay changes into slate and limestone changes into marble. That is the example. What is the example you will write down? Okay, don't worry, this PDF I will send, but right now tick this much. Starting from when? When to metamorphic rocks. Starting from when to metamorphic rocks, page number 9, answer number 7. Everyone got this?
Yes, sir.
An example is also there that you can write down by looking the PDF. I will send the PDF. Okay. Yes, Yesha, what do you want to say, beta? Why did you say, sir? Can you send PDF? Yes, I will send today only. Today I will send 3 things. Yesterday everyone got Civics chapter 1 PDF. Everyone got that?
Yes, sir. We got.
Yes sir, I got it.
It's not got it, beta. It is got. Okay, I got. So I hope that that will be helpful for you to complete the Civics chapter 1 worksheet. Okay, if ever you have tried, just don't now. If you have got the PDF, don't copy it from there. Read that answer and write in a sentence. Okay, PDF is just for a reference. I have sent.
Sir,
Don't just copy it down.
okay, sir, complete. સર પિછલા બંને સંતાને તમને કમ્પ્લીટ કરી लिया था वो सब.
Sir, 7th
Okay,
one
good,
answer
no
is
problem.
done.
Those who have done, yes, 7th one is done, beta. Those who have done MEA one worksheet, okay, those who have completed by your own. Now you have to, with the help of that PDF, you have to cross check your answers and again write down if there is any mistake. If it is okay, then leave it. If it is not okay,
sir.
just correct it. Okay, that's why I send the PDF.
Sir, important point in civics.
Yes. Today I will send 3 things. Today I will send the textual question answers. Okay. Then words that matter and that important points. Okay. That PDF. See, in that important point means facts that matter. Facts. Okay. FACTS. Facts that matter. That means it's the important points only. That you have to write down in fair notebook before starting this chapter. In fair notebook, you have to write down facts that matter first. Okay, first you have to write down facts that matter, then you have to write down words that matter. Clear? Words that matter. Then you have to write down the textual exercise. Today I will be sending that. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
This way, this should be the step.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Okay.
civics important points. Sir, हमारे civics के important points नहीं आए.
No. Okay, civics important points I have not given, no problem, no need to write down. Okay, but from this chapter onwards I will be sending means after ending of every chapter I will be sending, from this chapter onwards I will be sending the facts that matter and textual exercise. Means after ending of every chapter, from PA1 onwards I will be sending regularly after the ending of chapters. Clear? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Worksheet also I will be sending later. Worksheet I will send after sending these things. Clear? Means worksheet you have to do along with the chapter wise, topic wise when we complete the explanations. I already give you as homework, so that you are doing only, and I'm not saying it again and again because you know that. Okay. Okay, so now I think
Yes,
time is
sir.
up. You have to be ready for the competition also. So right now I am not
Yes, sir.
right now I am not going into much now explanation, because already we have discussed. If any discussion is remaining, that we will continue in the next class. Okay, beta? I hope that everyone understood.
Yes,
Okay?
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
What is today's homework?
Sir, we can.
complete
we
complete the fair notebook of
Sir, can you
chapter.
believe?
Wait, something is remaining. Do you know what is remaining?
What?
What is remaining?
Attendance.
So which is attendance is the most important thing. If you don't attend, means I will put leave, that's it. That's not up to me. If you want attendance, you have to stay, otherwise you can leave. Okay. Now wait, let me take the attendance. Those who are leaving, there I will put absent only. Even if you were present in the class, I will not put present. So it's better you stay, and when I tell, then only you have to leave. I told you many times, nobody will leave the class until I take the attendance. Still you are asking, may I leave, may we leave? What is that? Beta, that is not for me I am asking for you only. If you want attendance, you have to stay. I will say, then only you have to leave the class. Okay, Mishri Vagadia, beta, you are in which division? Mishri? Who is this Mishri?
Yes, sir. Sir, it's Ashvi Vagaria, not Mishri Vagaria.
What is her name?
My name is Ashvi Vagaria. It's wrong spelling.
Acha, Yashvi. Okay, beta, in which division are you?
7th.
Acha, 7th. Okay, no problem. Beta, did you understand today's lecture? Today's discussion and all. Did you understand the chapter? I hope that it was fine for you. Okay. Anybody has any problem? Just feel free to contact and ask me. I will be there for you. Okay. Yes. So that's all. I have taken attendance. Now you can leave the class. See you all in the next lecture.
Bye,
Take care
sir.
and
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you for teaching.
Bye, sir.
Okay. All the best. Okay.
Thank you for teaching us.
Thanks for
Welcome.
teaching us, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.